Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your Iota update. Guys, we have to watch what's going on with Iota. I have some nice news here for you, I have some bad news for you, and we will check this together. What's going on with Iota? Let's start this analysis. Let's go. So first of all, we can see Iota is going down 2.06% in the minus, and in the week it's going down also with 2.6%. So if you're watching this against Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin is going up a little bit, Iota is going down a little bit. That's not good. You can see it here on this picture, guys. It's really bad because we saw a little downtrend. We broke it to the upside. Yes, nice here. We have a new little uptrend, but we're going down again. The big thing what I can show you, this is Iota versus Bitcoin, is this picture, guys. This is a big diamond pattern. I can show you this one on the daily. And if this diamond pattern against Bitcoin will break out to the upside, yes, we will make a nice move against Bitcoin with Iota. But for the moment, we are going down against Bitcoin. That's not good. Let's check the next thing. Let me show you this one. Guys, this is the daily time frame. You know it, this is the big thing. That's the really big triangle. We have a perfect support line here on the downside, 0.92. So this is a really big support with 92 cents. And this is important stuff. On the upside, we have a resistance line. That's also a big thing. And the price is here for the moment about 144, depends always where we can hit it. So we are working between this, both of these lines here. That's the big thing if you're watching the big picture. Before we are starting with the TA, with the detailed TA, let me show you one thing. I have here something really interesting for you. That's the multicolor Bollinger Band. I will like to show you this on the 4-hour time frame. What's going on for the moment and what are these colors? What do you mean with this? Guys, let me show you this one here. We saw a nice pump to the upside. After this, a blue, green, blue, gray, blue, green, and then with a red and orange line, color here. So what does it mean? First of all, we saw here on the downside, these colors here, red one, gray one, and after this red one, we started with a green one. This was a nice pump to the upside. After this, we saw a blue one, consolidation, green, little up, blue one, consolidation, gray, little up, here and here and here, then consolidation, and we started with a red one, a dump. Orange, a try for a consolidation, no, more dump. Orange, yellow, and little dump, a little pump to the upside, yellow, and then we saw a big nice pump to the upside. So Biti, what do you want to say with these colors? Let me show you. If we are zooming in a little bit more here on this point, I can show you. We saw a nice pump to the upside. Here, this color, this is turquoise, blue here and green. This was a nice pump. After this, a little consolidation and then the dump to the downside. What's going on now? For the moment, we are building here, or we built here this orange one, consolidation, a yellow one, a sign. Yes, we can go up a little bit maybe. After this, a red one. We are going down for the moment again. So guys, it's a big thing for Iota. If you're watching these things, we are not in a green one, not in a blue one. We are going down again. We are in a red phase, and that's a dump phase. So attention, guys. This is not good for the moment. The next stuff, what I would like to show you is this one. This is the price prediction. And this one is telling us, I know it, guys, the price prediction is not working really nice, but I will show it to you here. The next 7 days, we will go down once again, $1.04 maybe, and then a little price to the upside, 112. We are bearish here. We have extreme fear in the market. And you can see we are bullish with only 33%, and we are bearish with 67%. So yes, we are going down maybe more and more. We are bearish with all these indicators here. Big supports to the downside. Remember 115, 111, 109, and big resistances to the upside. 121, 123, and 127. This is the biggest resistance with the most strength here on the upside. What is telling us this one here, and this is also a bad stuff, we have only red numbers here. Look at this. We may go down here. January the 20th, 91%. We will go down more, maybe 88 cents here. Then up again, $1.13. And maybe in February, we will go down also under $1. So yes, guys, it's not a nice thing. Sorry for this, but it is the picture from CoinCodex, and this is telling us we will go down more and more and more. So, okay, now let's move on. Let's remove the Bollinger Band. Let's start now with the next thing I would like to show you, and that's the 1 hour time frame. So, what is going on in the 1 hour time frame? For the moment, a big dump to the downside. Look at this, $1.12 for the moment. We are going down really, really hard. And a big thing is, if you are watching the pattern, maybe we are building now this one. Maybe we are building now a W pattern. So the big support is on $1 on the downside. Yes, you know it, guys. Attention, we may go down here more and more. This is not good for the moment. But we will see maybe a nice target to the upside. But first of all, we will go down maybe more and more. So attention, attention, attention. If we are watching the Fibonacci, this one here, let me show you. That's the Fibonacci retracement. And you can see, if we're zooming in a little bit more, what happened here. It was here a nice try to fight against this point here, big resistance, $1.21. It was a nice try. But you can see it here, we lost the fight, down again. Here was a really, really important point, or is for the moment a really important point for Iota, $1.13. And you can see, yes, we are losing this point for the moment. We are going down really hard. We have 24-hour or 24 minutes to close this candle. If this will close, confirmed closing, if this would be a confirmed closing candle under this Fibonacci retracement, we have the next big thing, because we lost this support here also. So this is not nice for the moment. If we are watching this one here, we can see the next stuff. Let's remove this Fibonacci. So if we are watching this one here, you can see, and that's important for the moment. That's for the moment an important stuff. This may be a part, this may be a thing, this could help us a little bit. Why? We saw here a parallel channel to the downside, this one on the 1 hour time frame. We broke out here to the upside, really nice, here to this point. After this, down to this point now, and the big question is now, can we use this here for the next pump to the upside? That's the next big thing, guys, to watch. We need to watch it, because this could help us. This is a really big thing. This could help us maybe. Lol, Biti is hardcore. Angry Higgins, my hardcore baby. Okay, this is a big thing, guys. We need to watch it. So maybe we can use this point for a pump to the upside. If we will lose this also, attention, attention, attenzione, attenzione. You know now the things to the downside, guys. So let's check the indicators. What is going on with the, where it is? What's going on with the candlestick patterns? Let's check this one. What is going on with the candlestick pattern? What do we need now? That's the first thing. We need a bullish one. We need a bullish harami. We need a bullish engulfing. We need a bullish candlestick pattern now on the 1 hour, better on the 4 hour, better on the day. For the moment, we have here not a bullish one. You can see it here. He's not impressed with the dump. No, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. So we need now a bullish candle. We saw here a bearish engulfing. After this, we went down. Okay. And now we need here a bullish one. Maybe a nice, a bullish engulfing. This one would be a nice one. A long wick to the downside and back up again here from this point. This would be really amazing. Here, the candle has to go up here. We have to see this bullish engulfing and then, come on, move on to the upside. This was the big thing what I would like to know here, or to see here for Iota. Okay. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour is not looking so nice. You can see it. We saw the bullish harami, a nice pump to the upside, bearish harami, bearish engulfing, bam. We need a bullish one here. That's the next big thing. What is telling us the day? The day showed us here bullish harami, bullish engulfing, and next pump to the upside. Now the retest of the downtrend channel, okay, and we need a bullish sign. That's the big thing. Okay, let's remove this one, and now let me show what's going on here with the Ichimoku. Ichimoku is a big problem for the moment. Why? You can see it. We are fighting with the blue line. We are fighting with the Ichimoku. It's a point about this one, 115. We need a confirmed closing candle over the Ichimoku. We saw yesterday a nice candle with a nice spike perfectly. It was a perfectly hit on the upside, then down again. And this is a big problem. We need a confirmed closing candle over this. We need a long wick now. We need volume, guys. Buy Iota now. That's not a financial advice, but buy Iota now. I'm not a financial advisor, but buy an Iota now. We need the confirmed closing candles over the blue one. And you can see the next one is the red one here on the upside, 127. So that's the next stuff here. Now let me check on the daily. Remove this indicator. What's going on with the ribbon band? Ribbon band is here, EMA 200 is here, so much resistance is here. This is a big problem. We need to fight back. Okay, yes, of course. On the 4-hour time frame, what is telling us the ribbon band? So we saw nice confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band. Here is the EMA 200. And what's happening now? We lost it completely on the 4-hour. This is not nice. We need to fight back. Yes, of course. This is not good. A confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band is horrible here. On the 1 hour, we lost the ribbon band, we lost the EMA 200. Yes, but on the 1 hour, you can see this wick to the downside is getting here bigger and bigger. So I hope for a big wick to the upside. I hope for a nice support here on this point. And I hope that this one can be the next jump to the upside. Let's hope for Iota. Let's hope, guys. Okay. That's this stuff. Now, let me check the weekly time frame. The big weekly time frame. What is telling us this one? Remove the drawings. And the big weekly time frame is telling us we saw a bad candle here last week, a bad dump to the downside. Now we are fighting back the ribbon band. That's really good and awesome, guys. We need to fight back the ribbon band. That are really nice signs. What is not so good? And if you're watching these weekly closing candles, that's really better, guys. Look at this. We saw a closing candle here at this point. 996. And we saw this wick to the downside, $1. So this is a higher low. If we are watching this on the daily time frame, this is a higher low and this is good. This is really good. But we need higher highs. And that's the bad stuff. If you're watching the weekly, you can see it here. This was a high. This was a high. Here we're going down. So big problem. We need higher lows. We need higher highs. And this is a big stuff we need to watch, guys. So you know now, in my opinion, everything you need to know for the big things for Iota. This was a really nice update, in my opinion. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please give me a thumbs to the upside if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you like this stuff. And please support me. I'm streaming live, guys. Please watch this. And what I would like to show you guys, look at this. I'm streaming live Iota here on this channel. I'm streaming live on YouTube and on Twitch. Yes, of course. The name here is Iota Trading Account because I have here Iota on the left side and I have here Iota on the right side. And you can see Iota, the big spike now to the downside. Look at this big wick and we're buying a bullish harami. That's a bullish stuff for the moment in the 50-minute time frame. So we need to fight back in the 50-minute time frame, the ribbon band, the EMA, and you have here a bad sell signal. If you sold here with the sell signal, you're making millions, guys, with my signals here. So, guys, you can use this for your own trading. Iota is here, Iota is trading, Iota is here. The name is Iota Trading Account, and you can see this also on YouTube. My name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here on Twitch. Guys, thanks for watching. This was a really quick update for Iota, but this is important for you. I think it's really important for you to watch. So, guys, bye-bye. Make it good. Have a nice time. So, this was my live stream for the day. It's a really long thing, 1 hour, 15 minutes. If you would like to know anything about something, please write it in the chat here, in Twitch or in YouTube, it doesn't matter. And if you are happy with everything, I would be happy for a thumbs to the upside. I have here 8 thumbs to the upside on YouTube. Thank you for this. Really nice. 27 are watching for the moment on Twitch here. And one guy is watching for the moment. That's me, for myself, I think, on YouTube. That's not the biggest thing, but I had some views here on YouTube on this live stream. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have no questions, I'm out for the day. I will upload now this analysis in German, in English, the Bitcoin analysis, and also the Iota analysis. We saw a dump now for Bitcoin. Yes, a dump. We also saw a dump now for Iota. Let me check here, this one here on my live stream. What's going on here for the moment? That's not the right one. That's the right one. Here's the live stream. Let's zoom up. Let's make more quality here. So what is the big stuff for the moment here? We are going down really hard for the moment. Okay, I can see it. We have here a buy signal. Okay, but now we are going down really hard in this channel. But it's not a big thing in my opinion. The big thing is on the 50-minute chart, and we need to fight back this one. This is the EMA. This the EMA 200 on a 50-minute, we lost. That's a really bad stuff, guys. We need to fight back from this one here. And we can, yes, we're going down more and more for the moment. That's not good. Sell signal was here. I hope you sold here on the upside. 44,000 was a good sell. And now we need to watch what's going on. Okay. Yes. But now I'm out for the big thing and I will upload my videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. And thanks for being live with me. Bye-bye.